Set to medium-high. All 1/2 cup. Green cardamom 6 spices. Whole chicken 1 kilogram. Cook till no longer pink and slightly brown. 7 minutes later. Yogurt 4 tablespoons. Set to medium-high. All 3 tablespoons. 1 cup boiled mixed vegetables. Ingredients: chicken powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper 1/2 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon, onion powder 1/4 teaspoon, garlic powder 1/4 teaspoon. Water to 0.5 cups. Basmati rice 1.5 cups, washed, soaked in water for 30 minutes, then strain. Yogurt 1 cup. Fried onions 1/2 cup. Salt 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili 1 tablespoon, not spicy. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Turmeric 1/4 teaspoon. Ginger and garlic paste 1/2 tablespoon each. Add only 1/2. Once bubbling and concentrated. Set flame to low. Water 1.5 cup. Set flame to medium-low. After cooking, cover from 0.8 to 10 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes later, now dish out in a bowl. After 10 minutes, stop flame off. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.